Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here.
Starting with pricing, Iris follows a contract-based per-user SaaS pricing model aimed at UK accounting and tax practices rather than individual taxpayers. The Tax Essentials plan starts at around £10 per month for up to 5 clients, tied to a 12-month contract with an additional per-user annual fee layered on top. The Tax Professional plan increases to roughly £60 per month, also under a fixed contract, and expands coverage to more complex returns, supplementary pages, capital allowances, dividend feeds, and additional HMRC integrations. Larger firms are pushed toward Iris Tax Enterprise, which is fully quote-based and designed for high-volume firms needing bulk online filing, asset registers, multiple trades, and deeper workflow automation. While Iris pricing appears low at entry level, total cost scales as users, modules, and long-term commitments are added, making it a predictable but structured investment rather than a flexible pay-as-you-go solution. In comparison, Easy Digital Filing follows a pay-as-you-go pricing model focused on corporation tax submissions rather than full practice management. Filing a CT 600 without IXBRL accounts starts at £80 per return, while CT 600 filing with micro IXBRL accounts is priced at £119. Companies with small IXBRL accounts pay around £195, and businesses that want a fully managed experience can opt for the Premier Managed Filing Service at £379, where filings are handled on their behalf. There are no subscriptions, no long-term contracts, and users only pay when they are ready to submit, making costs predictable at the transaction level. Iris features are designed to support end-to-end tax compliance and practice workflows for UK accountants and firms managing recurring client work at scale. The platform supports personal tax, partnerships, companies, trusts, and supplementary pages with direct digital submission to HMRC and full making tax digital compliance. Iris enables automated tax computations, capital allowances, full expensing and super deduction calculations, dividend feeds, foreign tax credit relief, farmers averaging, asset disposals, and business reliefs. Firms benefit from bulk online filing, storage of multiple HMRC credentials, standardized checklists, and multi-year client data continuity. Integration with IRIS elements, cashbook, accounts production, payroll, and HR modules allows firms to centralize operations, reduce manual handoffs, and maintain consistent compliance across teams and tax years. From a pros and cons perspective, Iris's biggest strength is depth and scalability. It is deeply aligned with UK tax regulation, supports complex scenarios, and is well suited for firms managing large and recurring client workloads. Centralized workflows reduce compliance risk and improve consistency. The downside is flexibility and accessibility. Long-term contracts, per-user pricing, and a steeper learning curve make Iris less attractive for sole traders or individuals. For users filing a single annual return, the platform's cost and complexity can far exceed practical needs. Continuing with Easy Digital Filing features in more depth, the platform is built specifically for UK limited companies that want a streamlined way to submit corporation tax returns accurately and efficiently. Users can calculate corporation tax liabilities instantly as figures are entered, allowing for what-if planning before submission and better cash flow visibility. The software supports capital allowances, disallowable expenses, carried forward losses, investment losses, foreign exchange gains and losses, and deficit tracking, making it suitable for both simple and moderately complex company structures. R&D tax credit calculations are supported for SMEs and under the merged RDEC scheme, with supporting documentation attachments included directly within the filing workflow to reduce manual back and forth.
Easy Digital Filing also supports creative industry reliefs, including theatre and creative enhanced expenditure calculations, helping eligible businesses claim sector-specific incentives without relying on separate tools or spreadsheets. Direct digital submission to HMRC is included across plans, with instant confirmation notifications once returns are accepted. For users who prefer not to handle filings themselves, the Premier Managed Filing option allows submissions to be completed on their behalf, adding an extra layer of assurance and reducing compliance risk. The platform also provides clear validation checks, audit-ready calculations, and straightforward what-if tax previews before submission. This flexibility makes the platform appealing to contractors, directors, and small finance teams who want accurate compliance without ongoing subscriptions or long-term commitments. From a pros and cons standpoint, Easy Digital Filing's biggest strength is simplicity and transparency. There is no subscription, no minimum commitment, and no unnecessary feature bloat. Users pay per return, understands costs up front, and can switch between self-filing or managed filing as their confidence or complexity changes. Onboarding is fast and intuitive. The downside is that it is not designed for accounting firms managing dozens of clients, does not include payroll or personal tax, and lacks broader practice management tools such as client portals, workflow automation, or multi-year engagement tracking. Looking at ratings, Iris Software holds a Trustpilot rating of around 3.9 stars, based on more than 3,000 reviews. Positive feedback highlights functionality and regulatory coverage, while criticism often focuses on support responsiveness, onboarding friction, and pricing complexity. Easy Digital Filing holds a stronger Trustpilot rating of approximately 4.8 stars from hundreds of reviews, with users consistently praising ease of use, clarity, speed, and value for money. As always, ratings should be interpreted in context of user type and expectations. Final takeaway. Iris is best suited for UK accounting firms that need end-to-end tax compliance, HMRC integration, and scalable workflows across many clients under a single system. Easy Digital Filing is a better fit for UK companies and directors who want fast, accurate corporation tax filing without subscriptions, contracts, or unnecessary overhead. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe for more deep dive software breakdowns, and click the link below to explore both platforms and confidently choose the one that fits your filing needs, risk tolerance, and workflow best.